When to go for scoliosis surgery? When is this surgery actually required? Today I'll be telling you 4 simple points which you should look out for whenever you feel that scoliosis surgery is now required. First and foremost point is when the nerves in the body are getting involved. Normally this happens when the scoliosis curve reaches around 70 degrees and it starts pressing the nerves or the internal organs inside the body. This is a clear-cut sign that if a patient is developing weakness in the legs or in the arms, or there is a numbness, tingling, or there is a problem in controlling motion and urine, then the patient should definitely consider for scoliosis surgery. Second, if the deformity, or as we call it medically, the Cobb's angle is more than 40 degrees in case of idiopathic scoliosis, then the person should consider for surgery, as if we don't do a surgery at this stage, then if the curve will progress further, it will worsen up and ultimately it will become so large that the surgery will become either very challenging or there is a high risk of going ahead with the surgery. Thirdly, if there is a component of congenital scoliosis or a type of scoliosis in which bones are affected or malformed, then the surgery should definitely be done and it should be done as early as possible. Normally in this type of congenital scoliosis, we don't wait for child to even reach the age of 10 or 15 years, which is ideal. But in this case, we do the surgery as soon as the child is caught with this type of particular scoliosis. In this case, the bone may be half formed or malformed or maybe even absent. In this case, if we do the surgery before the age of 5 years, there is a very good chance that we might be able to halt the progress of this disease and the child will have a very normal life in future. Fourth condition where surgery is a must is when the child has reached the age of 10 to 12 years, the growth of the lungs is complete, the torso of the child has grown to a reasonably good level. At that point, we normally do the surgeries for idiopathic scoliosis. Between the age of 10 and 12 years, that is the most ideal age when the surgery should be done, as the risk of developing complications are higher after the age of 12 or 13 years. At the age of 10 years, lung maturation has reached to a sufficient level and going ahead with the surgery will make the child's back straight again, will give child a painless back and a straighter spine for future development of the body. Thank you.